Hey everyone, Sam from Trend here, and welcome to our second video in our series, The Playbook. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how you can move your target audiences through your website with campaigns. In the first episode, we discussed setting up Trend and more specifically, goals and audiences. Now that we have our target audiences and business goals set, we can start building campaigns. So what is a campaign exactly? A website campaign enables you to connect audiences with creatives in different layouts and in different places on your website. So now that we've gone over what a campaign is, let's understand how to build and run campaigns. We have many types of campaigns you can run depending on how you want to target your audiences and what you want them to achieve. These campaigns open the door to effortless, goal-driven personalization at scale. With personalized recommendations, you can increase content engagement and make sure visitors are seeing the right content to drive them forward. With lead capture forms, you can encourage visitors to take action and fill out forms to access your gated content, demos, or even signups, bringing in more leads to your sales pipeline. Our persona mapping surveys allow you to capture persona data from anonymous visitors who are not yet ready to convert into leads to then tailor your messaging and content to their relevant persona. And with our powerful remarketing tool, you can target selected audiences with personalized ads, bringing them back to your site and increasing the likelihood of conversions. Content hubs empower your sales team with all the information they need to close deals, making their jobs easier and more effective. And with our audience-based content elements tool, or ACE, as we like to call it, you can dynamically change specific page elements based on the viewing audience, creating a fully personalized experience for every visitor. So let's see how these actually work and how effortless this process can be through an example. So I'm going to use promote pages, which, as we just discussed, helps drive visitors to a specific page. So once you have selected your campaign, you can begin with the creative. And here you can create all the visual aspects of the campaign. So you can choose from existing styles or create your own from scratch and even save it as a template, which we call a pre-style. You can also choose the layout, whether you want it to be a slider, an overlay, or embedded, or use our auto-populate feature to automatically capture the image and text from any web page. And then you can customize the title and final visual settings. Once that is done, you can move on to the targeting stage, where we define who should see the creative we just designed and where it should appear on the website. If you want to learn more about our hyper-personalization capabilities with audiences, flip back to our first video in the series. In settings, you can choose what actions trigger this campaign, how frequently it should be displayed, or if you want to schedule it. You can even run A/B tests, even though in the next video, we'll show you why this might not be necessary. Add your tags and UTM source, and you are ready to publish your campaign. Now that we've gone over how to build and run a campaign, you might be wondering, Sam, how do we know if the campaign worked? Great question. Trend even has the ability to track your campaigns, measuring the key KPIs of all your visitors' journeys. Under Activate, click Analyze, and here you can see clicks, impressions, CTR, and most importantly, how many visitors converted to your chosen business goal, connecting your output to outcome. In the next video, we'll dive deep, show you how to measure your ROI, not just on Trend but for your entire website. Stay tuned.